This is the Deepwater Horizon. It is run by Transocean and contracted by BP. 43 days behind schedule, due to a prior accident, BP is $20 million over budget by April 20th. This is the blowout preventer, or BOP. In the case of a blowout, this piece of equipment is the crew's only protection from catastrophe. Days before the explosion, a crewman accidentally nudged the drill control stick while the BOP was sealed. Hundreds of thousands of pounds of force moved the drill pipe through the BOP. The rubber annular, a washer that seals the BOP, became damaged. Despite chunks of the seal being found on the surface, the issue was ignored by the rig supervisor, who pushed on in the interest of speed. In addition to the damaged annular, the BOP was known to be running on only one control pod, a crucial piece of the BOP that supplies power to the unit. Weeks prior to the explosion, one of the pods lost power, remained inactive, and was ignored by those in charge of drilling. This is the well. Inside the well, methane gas builds up and needs to be kept from reaching the surface. Drillers use a substance called mud to keep the gas contained. Days before the explosion, a BP exec overruled standard procedure for capping a well. He had the expensive mud removed and seawater put in its place. Mud is the first line of defense from an explosion. On April 19th, a cement wall was poured around the well. On April 20th, the cement bond log was not performed to test the cement's structural integrity. This test would have taken 9 to 12 hours and cost $128,000, but was intentionally skipped in haste. The cement wall is the second defense against a gas explosion. April 20th, 9:20 p.m. Abnormal pressure builds in the well, and gas erupts to the rig's surface. Drilling mud was absent, the cement wall lacked structural integrity, and the damaged BOP failed to prevent the blowout. On the surface, the rig's engines drew power from the gas and exploded.